Do you want to write an application that handles error properly and logs it? Do you want to avoid debugging the code every time the error is thrown? If yes, you have come to the right place then. My name is Vignesh. Welcome to the quick session on improving the error handling in Node.js. Today we are going to focus on the key points to improve the efficiency of handling errors in Node.js, and let's get started. So here I am going to take promise-based error handling here, and promise comes with a predefined catch block to catch errors that actually help us here a lot. So the first step is to move all the catch blocks at the end of the promises. So this is how it is going to be. I define a promise and it continues with then blocks, then finally a catch block. So all our functions is going to be promises and followed by catch block. So here, this is the point. I am going to define a function with promise that is going to return a promise. So there we go. And one more function that is without promise. Here we're gonna throw an error directly. I'm sorry for the sound caused by my keyboard. Let's say this error in without promise. Okay, so let's call this here, and this one next. So this is how it happens. So we have a function that is actually not a promise returning function, but I have thrown an error here and that has been catched by this catch block. So this is how, guys, it is going to work. So even if it is thrown inside a promise returning function or not promise returning function, the errors are getting cached by our catch block here. Let's try something here. I'm rejecting new error. So let's say error in with promise. So this time the error in with promise. So the chain stops here. It directly jumps here, and if this is resolved, it is thrown in without promise, which doesn't return a promise, but it actually catches this thrown error. So next, let's jump on to the callback based functions. Let's define a function here. Here let's call it, and one more function. Let's say that here I'm going to use this here it goes. Calling this function directly here and passing this callback. Now let's see. So I'm not rejecting it here, not throwing anything here. It directly comes to this function. Let's see. So the error is in callback function now. So this is how it is going to work. If a function that returns a promise throws some error or rejects an error, that is being cached by this cache block. If there is a function that doesn't return a promise, still it catches the error. If there is a function that is taking a callback and you have promisified a function, and that is also going to get cached by this cache block. So this gives great power to the developers who wants to catch their errors wherever the function is written. So the beauty actually lies in changing the complete execution of the code from the beginning to end. I mean, chaining the function. Important to notice, there is no separate cache blocks for any promises in between. I mean, there is no cache block here, there is no cache here, so you are not writing any cache block here. Now wherever the error occurs, the error is cached at this last cache block. The key is to wrap all the code in promise and return the promise. Yeah, this is what I mean to say. You have to wrap the functions with promise. That actually works. And the last part is, this is the place that you can log the errors actually. So you log it here, like you can log it to Kibana or the logger of your kind. So I use this approach in majority of my applications, and I suggest you guys to try it, and please share your comments about it. I appreciate your effort to learn and improve your skills that you have put into. I'll see you guys soon in a new video. Thanks guys for watching it. Thank you.